To install a Django, we use a command pip install Django. So then Django will be downloaded. After that, I clear my screen, then type Django admin start project. So this command will create a project folder for a Django. Then after that, I give a name called my web. So my web is actually a project name. So after this, I navigate to my web using command cd my web. So you can see here in the directory we see a manage.file. So essentially what it does is it manages the Django server. Like you can run a server, you can make a migrations. It is actually similar to how menu button is available in some phones. So right now I use a command python manage.py run server to run a server. So if you use a run server space 80, the 80 port will be turns open but by default it uses a 8000 port. So let's navigate to our browser. Here you can type a localhost colon 8000. So now our Django is successfully installed. So now I clear my screen. So now let's talk about the file structure. So in the file structure, so the file structure is, you will see a my web. My web is actually a main folder. Then inside that my web and another app folder will be there. So app folder I have not created it. I will be creating that. So to create a app inside a main project, I use a command python manage.py start app. So I give a name as app here. So I give a app name as a app here. So if I navigate to our directories, so if I check this directory, you can see our app folder there. Here it is. So now let's navigate to our app folder. So you can see here the files inside the app folder. You can see our views.py and apps.py. So views.py is actually responsible for render a view to our web browser. So here in my program, the file urls.py inside of my web will call a file urls.py inside a app folder, and from there it calls a views.py file inside a app folder. So inside a views.py I call a function http response which will render a HTML tag for me. So here I write a hi inside h1 tag so that I can render a hi in my web browser. So then I create a urls.py. I provide a path here